This unfit mom's shocking betrayal led her husband to take their son, and the judge delivered a crushing blow to her custody claim.
In this particular case, the parties have a 5-year-old son, and he's presently residing with plaintiff dad, and he has been since the parties separated. That was when the defendant told plaintiff that there was someone else that she'd been seeing, and so the parties separated, and the child went with dad. As stated in the plaintiff's motion, defendant has acknowledged that she has no job and is homeless and is without the present ability to provide proper care for the minor child. There are some very serious concerns regarding defendant and her present mental state. She has recently threatened. Plaintiff is aware that defendant at this point is not working. With her current jobless state, she's unable to assist financially at the present time, and he's willing to waive child support on a temporary basis. So therefore, he's asking that he be granted the temporary sole custody and care of the party's minor child.
Forefront matter, this relief that they're requesting for him to have legal sole physical custody is trying to circumvent the Child Custody Act. These parties have been separated for 2 weeks. Some of the allegations that he makes in his motion allude to the fact that she doesn't have a job. Your Honor, she's been a stay-at-home mom for 5 years. She has been the sole provider for this minor child. To penalize her for being a stay-at-home mom and not having enough time to find a job would be unjust and would be against the best interest of the minor child. The parties were living rent-free in an apartment provided by the plaintiff's work. When they split 2 weeks ago, he went to the office and told them that she needed to be removed. So she was informed that she had to be out. So is she facing eviction? No, she is being replaced from her housing because of plaintiff.
As far as her being a stay-at-home mom, she did not work because she used the child as her buffer to not work. As to the eviction situation, that apartment, he worked at the complex where they resided, and that because of her having a relationship with a neighbor, the apartment complex didn't want to have there be any repercussions from any of the residents. They helped him get a job at another apartment complex at the same company. So because of that, that apartment is no longer going to be a free apartment. Because she was also residing there, they did do a 30-day notice. It has nothing to do, I mean, he's not got an apartment. He's not working at that location. There's no apartment to go with his job anymore because he's not at that job.
Well, what the court's going to do is this is just a temporary basis. And obviously, it looks like there's no dispute. The parties did separate. The child is in the plaintiff's custody at this time. The court is going to continue that on a temporary basis.